how you reassure a minority community that has a history and can go back in their history from their parents, and not just Latinos, but African Americans in this country, where racial profiling has occurred and where they have had, local law enforcement target minority communities, sometimes unfairly. How do you reassure them that this isn't going to occur with this law?
Well, the amazing thing is, since the only penalty can be applied if you're illegally in the country, if somebody's going to pick you up for jaywalking, and you're not illegally in the country, there's no secondary penalty. If there's a pattern of actual abuse anywhere, and understand it would be one policeman or one small part of the state of Arizona, if that occurred, then the Justice Department looks at that pattern, comes in with a heavy hammer for that discrimination. But never before have we challenged something because it might lead to something. There's nowhere in the Constitution that says a state is limited to what it absolutely won't do and can be stopped from what it might do. There's no question that discrimination continues around our country in minority communities, including Black and Hispanic. And we need to have real enforcement. But for the Justice Department to ignore real problems around the country and spend time going after a state who simply says we're going to self-help consistent with existing federal programs that have been passed under Republican and Democratic presidents is pretty absurd.